bigla kami tinanggal.
Dahil?
Because they have to, kailangan nilang mag-let go ng heads kasi di na kaya ng airline. Kasi walang flights.
Reduce.
Konti
So wala
lang.
ding money pumapasok sa airline. So that's why kailangan nila mag-reduce ng heads. And kasama yung batch namin. So yung tenureship na inano nila 3 years. 3 years and below, yun yung tinanggal talaga nila. So parang ako like, oh shucks. That's during that time pa, that's when I was able to establish like as a flight attendant content creator. Tapos bilang hindi na ako FA.
Yeah.
So it was so hard for me. So tapos umuwi na ako ng Cebu ulit. Nung umuwi na ako ng Cebu, kasama ko ng family ko, it was so hard na parang sabihin ko wala na akong trabaho kasi di ako sanay.
I bet.
Na
Yeah.
walang trabaho. Tapos like,
Provider ka
provider pa. And meron din one time na I think it was the most heartbreaking part kasi nasa Cebu na ako noon. Pero I'm not living with my father. Pero from time to time, nagpapadala ako. Pero not as frequent yung pagpapadala ko ng pera sa mama ko. Kasi monthly talaga sa mama ko. Kasi nandun yung kapatid ko na pinapaaral ko din and all. Tapos parang binisita ko ng papa ko. So parang ako like, binisita niya ako kasi like, wala akong work, baka kumustahin niya ako and all. Tapos bigla, may pera ka. Tapos parang,
sa ganung moment pa ng life.
tapos parang sabi ko, wala akong work.
Wait, nung lumapit siya sa'yo, alam niyang wala kang work? Or dun lang niya nalaman?
Doon niya lang din nalaman. So parang, yeah, wala siyang alam. Tapos parang sinabi ko like, wala na akong work. Tapos parang sabi niya, okay. Parang, yun lang.
Ang bilis ka usap.
Yun lang. Tapos parang, I think may 5K pa ata ako noon. Kasi nagbenta ko ng mga damit noon during that time. Kasi parang ayoko nag-zero na talaga yung sa pera ko and all. So parang, sabi ko, eto 2,000.
Diyos ko.
Nagbigay ka pa rin.
Kasi, alam kong, baka, sa isip ko, wala talaga siya. Ako meron pa rin kahit papano. Parang, ganun yung nasa isip ko. So yun.
Grabe ka.
I have a question. Now that you are looking back on those moments, what are your realizations as a provider that you can probably give to some of the providers that we have?
It gets better. Nothing is permanent.
Okay.
Yung tipong kahit nahihirapan ka ngayon, hindi yan permanente. Or kahit, as bad as it may sound, na parang kahit masaya ka ngayon, hindi siya permanente. Parang, nothing is permanent talaga. Even your sufferings. It gets better. Like, I swear, lalo na nakikita ng Diyos kung gaano ka naghihirap, kung gaano mo suportahan yung family mo, kung gaano mo minamahal sila, ibabalik sa kanya lahat ng ibabalik niya. I think, yeah, I'm a testament to that. Kasi, dumating ako sa like, walang-wala talaga. Until, parang sinabi ni Lord, deserve mo. Kasi
Deserve mo ng
binigyan
more.
kita lahat ng mga challenges sa buhay.
Biniyak ako.
Parang, parang, it's your time. It's your time, tapa.
Hoy, naiiyak din ako! Ano ba?
Enjoy.
Naiiyak din ako.
And you know what? What's really, na parang nai-inspire din ako. Because whenever I see messages ng mga tao na parang I'm also a breadwinner. Pero dahil just last night, I received a message parang sabi niya, ano ba? I wanna end my life.
Oh my God.
Kasi breadwinner siya, tapos nahihirapan na talaga siya. And I know that situation na sobrang hirap talaga. Tapos parang she encountered my video. Tapos sabi niya, dahil sa'yo, parang nagkaroon siya ng pag-asa na things will get better.
Hoy, nakakaiyak! Ano ba?
Nakaka-relate.
You better stop. You better stop. I super get you. And I think, parang last night, share ko lang, guesting din ako ng isang podcast. Parang, one of the questions they asked me is, what do you, as a content creator, what do you think is your biggest achievement? Parang ang sabi ko, syempre nandun yung mga guesting ko minsan sa SB19, yung mga kung saan guesting. I think, makaka-relate ako doon sa sinabi mo na yung mga nagme-message sa'yo.
Yeah.
Na parang sabi nila, I'm going through depression po ka. And thank you so much for your videos. Parang for me, ginagawa ko lang yun kasi I'm having fun but I didn't know that I'm actually inspiring people.
Yeah.
I am helping them going through things that I don't have any idea about. And I think that's one of my, if not biggest achievement that I have, is to help those people na sabi ko, I'm gonna be that person na sana meron ako nung ako yung nasa lowest ako. I hate you! You better stop! Nakakaloka.
Pinag-stop na, pinag-hate pa.
Nag-hate na, pinag-stop na. No? But anyway,
Thank you, ate.
thank you so much
Thank you so
for
much also.
sinabi ni Derek maging vulnerable ka. Pero hindi naman ganito
Damay,
ka-vulnerable.
damay.
Pati kami naging vulnerable. Naging
Ang ganda,
fragile.
ate.
Pero nung let's go back doon sa, syempre may pagtanggalang nangyari. Kamusta ka noon and how did you get out from it?
I was lucky because I have a very strong support system sa mga friends ko. Like, palagi kong sinasabi, kasi I grew up in a broken family. Like, hindi ako swerte sa family ko, but I'm sobrang swerte ko, like, with the group of friends that I have and the relatives that I have also, kasi super supportive nila. And, na-amaze lang din ako kasi tatlo kami, like, besties talaga. Tatlo kami. Tapos, like, yung sa isa, alam ng parents niya na parang, ano yung life ko and all. Tapos, nung natanggal na kami, sobrang ano lang, kasi yung first question ng papa niya, parang, kamusta si Jen? Kasi parang, alam ng papa niya, kahit mawala ng trabaho yung anak niya, kaya niya. Susuportahan niya. Kasi like, parang comfortable
Okay
naman yung
sila.
life. Tapos yung unang tinanong talaga, like, tapos parang ako like, shucks! Coming like, complete stranger na
Di mo ka
di mo ka
May
mag-anak.
kumakamusta
Tapos
sa'yo,
kumakamusta and all. Tapos, yun. As in, sobrang, si Mamaw during that time, as in, sobrang helpful talaga
Mouse
nila.
the greatest.
Sobra. As in, yung, basta, grabe yung support.
Support system.
Yes. And during that time, nung sobrang natakot din ako kasi hindi na ako FA and may contents about pagiging FA, diba? Tapos biglang nawala. So I was so scared na mawawalan ako ng community. Kasi most of my followers, kasi they followed me because I'm a flight attendant. They followed me because they aspired to becoming a flight attendant. Tapos kapag sasabihin ko ba na hindi na ako FA, will they unfollow me? Parang ganun. But then when I made the announcement, ang daming nag-message na parang, no, hindi ka namin pinalo because you're an FA. We followed you because of you.
Ang ganda.
As in, sobrang,
No words, no.
as
How
in, grateful. As in, sobrang grateful. And I know din naman for a fact na social media can be ugly. Pero, because of like the messages na nare-receive ko sa mga taong like, yun nga na-inspire, sa mga the one who supports me, like it make things like worth it. Lahat.
It could also be your strength.
Yes.
So,
Motivation.
Nag-full-time ka, ate, sa content, as content creator nun?
Yes. Supposedly, before the announcement na tatanggalin kami, kinuha ko ng marketing ng airline. Sabi nila, pwede bang mag-marketing ka and all. Tapos nung sinek ko yung sweldo, parang hindi siya, Tapos yung workload, basta iba siya yung workload niya. Tapos, so I declined. And then nung I made the announcement na hindi na ako FA, sobrang daming pumasok na opportunity. So parang sabi ko, it was a good decision din pala. Yung parang, you lose some and gain some. No, hindi. Lose some, but I gained a lot. Yes.
Hindi lang sa...
Sobrang amazing ni Lord.
Very
As in,
inspiring.
amazing. Sobrang
Oo.
amazing
Very
ni Lord.
inspiring.
Uy, huwag kang magpakapetsa de pedigo sa content. Kung bitin ka sa kwentuhan, punta na sa YouTube, Spotify, at Apple Podcast para mapakinggan ang buong episodes ng Petsa de Peligro. Brought to us by Union Digital Bank. Kompleto yan. May funny highlights, seryosang tips, at mga discarding pwedeng makatulong sa'yo before sweldo day. Kaya mong maging mas wise. Check out Petsa de Peligro Podcast sa lahat ng social media platforms. Pati na rin ang Union Digital Bank on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for more tawanan and discarded stories. At syempre, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe bago maubos ang mobile data mo.